What are you doing? What do you got? What's this over here? Look. What's that? Oh my goodness, is that good? Is it good? Is it good, Boo? Oh, good job. Look at him, Bob. Tell us a story, of course. Chrissy's even saying this too. You are such a dirty boy. Yes, you are, dirty boy. All right, we're done. We're done. You finished? We ate all this. The whole tray was covered before. Bye.